오, 이건 뭐야?
Garlic. This one.
아, 그래? 나 마시라고? 메론 포이즌? Did you spit?
No.
마셔봐. 잘했어.
Why is the taste like that?
사무실에 옵니다. 고장난 전구. 영어로는 하드웨어 샵, 한국말로는 철물점.
You have this one, kuya? How much?
28.
Oh, okay.
How many?
No, I just need one.
Okay.
How about do we have cheap leather here?
3 step.
Yeah, 3 step. How much is that one?
Ito is 3 step.
No.
평범한
that one
하루.
low.
This one, sir.
Wait. Is it possible I pay through Gcash?
아내한테 돈 타오는 걸 깜빡해서 비상금을 사용합니다. 불쌍한 한국인. 등을 설치하는 맥가이버 아저씨. 설치 완료. 중국산이라 저렴하지만 자주 고장납니다. 다음날 고프로를 고치러 쇼핑몰 갑니다. 자기의 신발이 먼저라는 아주머니. 핸드폰 보며 시간을 때우는 한국인. 정말 심심해서 문워크를 합니다. 마이클 잭슨도 울고 갈 실력. 고프로 사설 수리센터.
What's the problem?
No, I can turn on, but it doesn't work. The key doesn't work. I cannot record.
There is no display in here.
After upgrade of software, it became like that.
여기저기 둘러보는 수리기사.
Repair only, without any replacement of the new spare parts. It costs 3,500 pesos.
And then?
You need to leave this for 3 to 5 days for fixing only.
So I pay 3,500.
No.
You can fix.
We'll try. We will try to fix this. If repairable, it costs 3,500 only. And then we have a diagnostic fee which is 500 pesos. But
요약하자면 진단 비용 500페소를 무조건 내야 되고 고칠 수 있는지 없는지는 모른답니다.
meaning
So once you try to repair this one, it will become
Yeah.
like
yes,
have
sir.
gap.
Yes, sir. Because there is no other way to open it. Just only.
고친 후엔 물에서 사용하지 못한다는 직원.
If ever we try to open it, so your unit is not available.
유튜브를 봅니다. 평화로운 하루.
응?
Diba last time, hot and cold in the AC in the office. And then Darren said still not cold. So I called them and then I told them and then they said we need to pay 4,800.
왜?
I don't know. They're saying something about pull down. But we already paid 1,500 for each unit, 3,000. So can you go and talk to them?
한국인 출동합니다.
똥. Good morning. I'm from 448 El Grande.
Yes, sir.
You said how much?
4.8 less 1.5
What
for
will you do?
cleaning. Cool down the unit and then recharging freon.
Why do you need to pull down?
You need to pull down because
Diba, we bought that one 2 years ago.
yes sir, but the pull down
When is the warranty? Hanggang when?
warranty 3 years for parts, spare parts for the board.
No, that one warranty 5 years and then compressor 10 years.
The 5 years compressor sir, not include the freon. Only
No,
the PCB.
once you install, freon should be, should be stay for a long
For
time.
no long time. 1 year.
Not every 6 months.
1 year only for freon.
So after 1 year, freon is gone. You sure?
I'm not sure, sir.
Why you say you're not sure? Because
I'm not the
we
technician.
install 5 same units from your store. Huh?
That one.
And then 3 pieces, it lasts very long. Never been changed for 2 years. And then that one in my house every time.
So what would you like now, sir? We charging freon for free?
No, not free.
So what do you want?
Why every time like that? Because the problem is the line.
This is the first time we charge the freon.
That one?
Unit, sir. Yes.
How about that one?
This is the first time. The before we only cleaning only for the charge.
How long?
할 말은 하고 사는 한국인.
Overcharge. Okay, I will tell them, sir.
When?
Charging only after this afternoon.
This afternoon, are you sure?
Yes, yeah.
Because we told you to go there every time they didn't go.
Charging only, no need to pull down.
다음 날 에어컨 기사들이 왔다길래 다시 출동합니다. 청소를 했는데도 굉장히 더러운 에어컨.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Tama.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
그래도 열심히 청소했고 미안한 마음에 돈을 줘서 보냅니다.
Okay, thank you.
잠시 후
자, 저녁을 지금 먹지. 야, 하나밖에 안 남았는데 이거를 아빠가 내일 간식 사올게.
잠시 후 아이들을 데리고 장을 보러
자,
갑니다.
빨리 타세요. 야, 어디가? 야, 뛰지마. 룸새끼. 야, 룸새끼 뛰지마.
말 안 듣는 아이들.
뛰지마. 야.
집에 옵니다. 이렇게 필리핀 사는 한국인의 하루는 계속됩니다. 부족한 영상 끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.
Yummy?
아빠가 이거 사왔네. 아빠가 이거 사왔네.